how to reset Face ID on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset Face ID on your iPhone in just a few easy steps. Let's get into this. Alright, first go ahead and open the Settings app. Scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode, and tap on that. You'll need to enter your iPhone passcode to continue. Now, once you're in, scroll down a bit. Tap on Reset Face ID. This will remove the current Face ID data from your phone. After that, you'll see the option to set up Face ID again. If you want to start fresh, just follow the on-screen instructions to scan your face like you did the first time. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're fixing Face ID, not working, or just want a new scan, this will take care of it. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.